Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will turn your gray hair into black. Alright, now I'm preparing this remedy just the way I am going to be showing you, and just the direction I'm going to be giving you would help you turn your gray hair into black using natural remedy. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my natural remedy for gray hair, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. The first ingredient we're going to be needing for this hair darkening hair darkening remedy would be indigo powder. Alright, indigo powder is an all natural hair dye that does not harm your hair in any way. Mixing indigo powder with other hair darkening treatments would give your hair a jet black. Indigo powder can help prevent premature graying. Indigo stimulates new hair growth and prevents scalp infections. Alright, using indigo powder regularly to the hair would help your hair go jet black, and it provides hair softness, and it provides the hair with softness and shine with the help of other ingredients which I'm going to be showing you guys. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this would be amla powder. Amla powder has medicinal properties capable of soothing sore eyes and revealing skin infection. Applying amla powder to the hair would serve as a conditioner, and it helps to soften the hair. It also helps to nourish the hair. It turns the hair into jet black. Combining amla powder with indigo powder would evenly leave your hair very black and shiny. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this hair darkening remedy would be coconut milk. Alright, so you can actually produce your own coconut milk in the house by breaking coconut and then taking the coconut milk, blending it and extracting the coconut milk instead of buying. Alright, so coconut milk is essential for the hair. It promotes hair growth. It treats the scalp, and it removes dandruff. It also helps to remove make the hair go black, and it prevents early graying. Okay, so we're going to be needing that a lot also. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing will be aloe vera. Aloe vera is vast. Aloe vera is a good conditioner to the hair. Aloe vera helps to prevent and repair the hair. Aloe vera helps to also repair the skin. Using aloe vera alongside with indigo, amla and coconut milk would evenly make your hair go jet black, and you are not going to be smelling gray hair anymore. Alright, so let's prepare all our ingredients together. I'm going to be needing a bowl, and I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of indigo powder. Alright, cover that up and set that aside. And I'm also going to be taking 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Okay, this is actually 1 teaspoon, sorry. 1 teaspoon of amla powder will be perfect for this. And then we're going to be mixing 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, yeah. and then we're going to go prepare the aloe vera. Just this little, and we're going to be preparing it. Okay, so let's prepare the aloe vera into the treatment. Alright, so this is actually a very simple way in which I prepare my aloe vera. Now I would have to be scraping it, you know, so that the juice can just go into the treatment without even blending. Alright, okay, so but if you can just go blend all this all up, okay, so that you would so that the sliminess of the aloe vera will not be there any longer. Alright, so this is it, and now let's stir all the ingredients together. Alright, and then if the consistency is not going to be okay, we're going to be putting more of the coconut milk. Alright, so you have to mix this all up, and this is actually looking somewhat really thick. Okay, so what you do when it gets too thick like this, you know, add up a little bit of water. Okay, now the reason of adding water I'm going to tell you when we're done mixing this all up. Okay, so you're just going to stir this up. Oh my god, and mix really well. You mix it really well. Okay, because when you mix it, the alright, so now let me tell you the reason why I said you should add water. Because you are going to be leaving this treatment overnight. Okay, you're not going to be applying it the very first day you make this treatment. You're going to be applying it the next day. Now that is because so the indigo and the amla powder can mix really good, and it would, you know, work really effective when you use it on your hair. Okay, so when you want to use it the next day, you would, you know, rub this through your hair from the scalp down to your hair. Rub it at the front side of your hair, and then you leave this on your hair for like 2 to 3 hours. Don't cover it, just leave it there for like 2 to 3 hours. Let fresh hair get into it, and as fresh hair is getting into it, it's gonna go darker and darker. All right, mixing this together and leaving it overnight will be more effective. Okay, and you're going to be seeing the great result. And also you have to use this treatment once in a week, because it's not just for the very first day you apply it, you're going to see a great result. But the next week I would recommend you use it, so you can actually keep the treatment. Put it in a jar where you can, you know, just store it in a particular place. It's not going to go bad. All right, and then you can use it, because it's just going to help to give your hair a jet black, and it's gonna be really good. Okay, yeah guys, keeping the treatment overnight, you know, would effectively, you know, turn your gray hair into black. Okay, so remember to do that and apply it just the way I've told you, and you are going to be seeing your result. Your result is just going to be so awesome. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did love this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask them on my website. The link will be at my comment section and at my description box. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.